Welcome to Healthy Dog Happy Dog, your go-to channel for all things canine care. Today we're tackling a common issue: ear infections in dogs. These infections can be uncomfortable and even lead to serious health issues if ignored. Regularly check your dog's ears for unusual wax discharge or odors to help prevent ear infections. If your dog produces a lot of wax in their ears, you can clean those as well. Nothing with a sharp edge should be used. To avoid aggravating the situation or getting any liquid lodged in their ears, use cotton balls soaked in a cleaning solution designed specifically for dogs. Prior to consulting your veterinarian, refrain from using any over-the-counter medications or treatments. Even when it comes to ear infection prevention, it's best to consult your veterinarian first and find out what special precautions could be appropriate for your dog's breed. See a veterinarian right away if your dog has an ear infection. The risk of it developing into an inner or middle ear infection is too great to ignore. Infections in the inner ears can cause dangerously high fevers or spread to other areas of the body. You can try a few at-home cures if you think your dog may have an ear infection. Using a solution of equal parts water and apple cider vinegar is one popular technique. Apply this solution to your dog's ears gently using a cotton ball or soft cloth. The vinegar's acidity can aid in halting the development of yeast and bacteria. If you find our content educational, please like the video and subscribe to the channel so you would not miss our uploads weekly. And check out our store, link in description. Coconut oil is another useful treatment. The inherent antibacterial and antifungal qualities of coconut oil can help calm and lessen inflammation in your dog's ears. Just briefly warm up some coconut oil, then gently massage a few drops into your dog's ears to aid with penetration. You can also clean your dog's ears using a solution of 1 part hydrogen peroxide to 1 part water. By doing so, extra wax and debris that might be causing the infection can be eliminated. But it's crucial to use this mixture with caution and not to apply it to your dog if they have any open wounds in their ears. Before attempting any home treatments, always check with your veterinarian because some infections may need prescription medicine. See a veterinarian right away if your dog's symptoms worsen or continue. Have a wonderful day and remember, healthy dog, happy dog.